Hey guys, welcome back to But's Paradise. Today we'll make some veggie fries. One batch I'm making in the oven and one more batch I'm making in the dosa tawa. Let's see which one turn out better. Here I've taken parval, bittergourd and spiny gourd. Peel the parval little bit because the skin is little rough. Slice them into circles. This fry is easy to make and very simple with little masalas. Now I'm adding some masala, haldi, some red chili powder, salt. Mix it well and keep them aside. It will leave some moisture. Do the same thing for parval. Parval I am making in the dosa tawa and spiny gourd and bittergourd I am making it in the oven. So add some ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon rice flour and 1 teaspoon besan and 1 teaspoon oil. Coat well and spread it in the baking sheet. Put it in the oven. It will take at least 30 to 45 minutes. Now I have fried for 20 minutes and taken it out and put it in the oven again. Now this is done. See, this is crispy. Some of them are crispy. Now let's make a parval in the dosa pan. Here I've taken big chili one. It gives nice flavor. Add the parval. Mix it well. Keep it closed for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Take out the chilies. This is fried well. This will take another 10 minutes. Now I had some leftover masalas. I'm adding the same here. This has gram flour, red chili powder and little amchur and little kalonji. Keep it for 2 minutes and take out. This is done now. This was very quick compared to oven and very tasty, and the texture is better in the dosa tawa. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Here I am serving my lunch. This lunch was very simple yet very delicious and satisfying. Please try this recipe at home and do let me know in the comments box. Please watch my other videos as well. Here I am serving some gonkura pickle and dal and some chilies. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.